Cameron, Grady, where are we? Hey, where are we? We're in Detroit. Where are we going?
We're going to Las Vegas.
Are you excited? Grady, excited? Grady.
I'm going to the Expo Base.
Oh. There's the airport for your dad. Wait, where are you going on, Grady?
Dad, go on that Expo Base. Dad, go on that one. Go on that one.
All right, here we go.
Dad, go on that one. Wait, no, me and Grady.
No.
No, you go on that one.
No, that one's going the wrong way. There goes Cameron. Vegas, baby. Yeah. What do you guys think? What do you think?
This is cool.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Paris, baby. There's Bellagio with the fountains. We're gonna stop there on the way back and get a picture. Look at this.
Hey, we're gonna do the golf.
Are you? Look at this. Look at this. It's called the Eiffel Tower. Look at that. Oh my gosh. What?
I need to get to the show. I'll send this picture to you, okay?
Wow.
Send this picture to you, okay?
Wow, guys. Caesar's Palace. That's a big one right there. Look at that. Hey, look at that, guys. Look at that. Hey, what do you think?
Cool. Look at up there! What? It looks like ears. It's like a pointer.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna win.
Vegas! All right, Cameron and Grady, where are you guys at?
Las Vegas.
Vegas. It's right. What hotel is this called? Bellagio. Yeah, look at that.
Yes.
And then over there is Caesar's Palace. Yeah, buddy.
Can I make a wish?
Sure thing.
I need a coin.
Oh, I don't have one.
Dad.
I don't have one.
I'm gonna make a wish.
What do you want to say?
Okay, where am I?
Well, show the Bellagio.
Look at Bellagio. I'm gonna show you some fish.
Hey, look. I want to make sure it's on. Make sure it's on. Yep. Hi. Hey, don't hold it over
Is there
there.
any fish?
Don't hold it over there. Here.
Geese.
Nice.
I'm done.
You don't want to show a little tour?
Okay, I will.
Okay, wait, hold on. Let me do this. It's been a rough day. These guys were at the Flamingo all day. It's been rough. All right, Cameron, Grady. Hey, where are we? Grady. Yeah, look at that. Whoa, all the way down. Look at that. It's crazy. Yeah.
Dad, is that how steep the Grady is?
Oh, I think it's steeper, buddy. We're going there next. Hey guys, we just walked across the entire Hoover Dam. There's our parking garage over there. And there's the dam. Almost there. All right, let's go. Finish the walk. Come on, almost there. Almost there. We crossed into Arizona by foot from Nevada. Yay! We made it. Half in Arizona, half in. Ready, go.
Half in Nevada, Arizona, Arizona.
All right, now Grady, you do it. It's funny. Grady, which state you in? Arizona's over here. Nevada's over there. There you go. Bounce back and forth. Nice.